will begin the presentation with the company introduction. The first point is company background. AirAsia was established in 2001 and is headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is one of the leading low-cost airlines in Asia and is well known for making air travel affordable and accessible to millions of passengers. Next is industry sector. AirAsia operates in the aviation industry, specifically in the low-cost carrier sector. The company focuses on providing affordable air transportation service while maintaining operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. The third one is main product and service. So the company's main service is domestic and international flight transportation. In addition, AirAsia offers ancillary service such as baggage handling, seat selection, in-flight meals, and travel insurance. Moving to the next slide, the point is target market. AirAsia mainly targets budget-conscious travelers, including tourists, students, families, and business travelers who are looking for affordable and convenient travel options. For global operations, AirAsia operates across several countries, including Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, and Cambodia. So, the airline serves more than 150 destinations throughout the Asia-Pacific region. The last one is company size and market position. AirAsia is one of the largest low-cost airlines in Asia and has carried more than 900 million passengers since its establishment. Its extensive route network and strong brand recognition have strengthened its position in the aviation industry.
So on this slide, we can see the sourcing and procurement process for AirAsia. This section explains how AirAsia manages its supplies and important resources for airline operation. The first point is supplier selection. AirAsia needs to choose suppliers that are reliable and able to meet aviation safety, quality, and regulatory standards. This is important because suppliers provide key items such as aircraft parts, fuel, catering, ground services, and IT systems. The second point is procurement strategy. Since AirAsia operates as a low-cost airline, cost efficiency is very important. However, the company still needs to maintain safety and service quality. So AirAsia must balance cost, safety, quality, and sustainability in its procurement decision. The third point is vendor relationship. AirAsia depends on many external suppliers, so maintaining good relationship with the vendor is important. This can help ensure stable supply, better communication, and smoother operation. The last point is e-procurement system. AirAsia uses digital system to manage purchasing, supplier information, and inventory. This helps improve accuracy, reduce errors, and support faster decision making. Overall, sourcing and procurement help AirAsia control costs, maintain safety, reduce delay, and support a low-cost airline strategy. So that's all from the sourcing and procurement part. Thank you.
I'm going to talk about the logistic management of Asia. First, let's look at transportation methods. Asia has a modern and diverse fleet of aircraft, enabling them to provide fast and reliable passengers and cargo services, both domestic and internationally. Thus, we have the distribution channel. Asia sells tickets directly through their website and mobile apps, and also through travel agents and online travel platforms. This wide range of channels ensure easy access for customers worldwide. Moving on to warehouse management. Asia operates centralized warehouse for critical inventory like aircraft spare parts, catering supplies, and operational equipment. This centralization reduces downtime and ensures smooth operations. Finally, let's talk about the delivery system. Asia cargo is a key part of their logistics, offering fast, trackable freight services globally. In summary, Asia logistics management is designed to keep costs low, ensure reliability, and provide a seamless experience for both passengers and freight customers.
Next, AirAsia Strategic Supply Chain Management. We will examine how AirAsia leverages lean, digital, and sustainable strategies to maintain its position as a global leader in low-cost aviation. AirAsia supply chain is built on three core pillars. First is the lean supply chain. By utilizing a standardized fleet of Airbus aircraft, they minimize maintenance complexity and achieve an industry-leading aircraft utilization rate of 12 to 30 hours per day. Second is their digital transformation through partnership like the Blue Yonder warehouse management system. AirAsia use a real-time data analytics to optimize inventory, ensuring they carry only what passengers need, which reduce weight and fuel burn. Lastly, their sustainable strategy focus on their adoptions of SAF and a circular waste economy, aligning their procurement with a net zero 2050 target. The results of this strategy are measurable and powerful. AirAsia maintained the world's lowest CACSK at approximately $0.0335. This cost leadership is their ultimate competitive shield. By tracking over 20 operational efficiency measures, they avoided $40 million in fuel dollar costs in a single year. This efficiency don't just save money, they drive competitiveness. With a consistent load factor of 88% and a dominant 25 to 30 market share in Southeast Asia, AirAsia proved that a tech-driven lean supply chain is their primary engine behind their "now everyone can fly" promise. Their top 5 global ESG ranking further solidifies their brand as a modern, responsible, and highly efficient competitor.
And I will continue to explain about the inventory management. So, for AirAsia inventory management that play an important role in supporting the low-cost carrier business model. For this, the company must ensure that important operational items such as aircraft spare part, fuel and maintenance supplies are always available when needed. So, for effective inventory management, help the AirAsia reduce the operational costs, avoid the flight delay, and improve the service reliability. This allows the airline to operate efficiently while maintaining the customer satisfaction. Next, we will go through types of inventory. AirAsia manages 3 main types of inventory. First is raw material, which include aviation fuel, aircraft spare part, maintenance tools, catering supplies, and cleaning materials that are used in daily operation. Second is work in progress inventory. This refers to aircraft components being repaired, aircraft undergoing maintenance, and meals that are being prepared before flights. Third is finished good. These items that are ready to be used immediately, such as repair aircraft components, operational equipment, and packaged in-flight meals. For the inventory control techniques, AirAsia uses several inventory control techniques to manage the cost and improve the efficiency. The first technique is just-in-time, that are known as JIT. Under this approach, inventory is ordered only when needed. This helps to reduce storage costs and support the AirAsia low-cost business strategy. For the second technique is safety stock. AirAsia keep extra stock of critical aircraft spare parts to avoid the destruction if unexpected maintenance is required. This helps to ensure flight safety and operational reliability. The third technique is ABC analysis. High-value items such as aircraft engines and major components are classified as a Category A and receive the closest monitoring. So medium-value items are Category B, while the lower-value consumed items are Category C. For the last of the discussion is the technology in inventory management. AirAsia also use technology to improve the inventory management. First, the ERP system helps to combine information from different departments such as inventory, procurement, and maintenance into one system. This makes it easier for the company to monitor inventory and make the decisions. For the second, AirAsia use a warehouse management system, or that we call WMS. This system helps the company keep track of the inventory in the warehouse and improve the inventory accuracy. For the third, barcode and RFID technology are used to track the inventory and equipment. So this help also reduce the mistake and allows the company to know the location of items more quickly. Lastly, AirAsia also use artificial intelligence or full AI. AI helps the company predict future inventory needs and ensure that enough stock is available when required. So this can help reduce the shortage and improve the operational efficiency.
Now I will explain how AirAsia makes important decisions in its supply chain management. First, in terms of supplier selection decision, AirAsia carefully choose suppliers such as aircraft manufacturers like Airbus, fuel providers, and service vendors. The company focuses on cost efficiency, quality, reliability, and sustainability when selecting suppliers. This supports their low-cost strategy while maintaining safety and service standards. Next, for transportation decisions, AirAsia uses a route optimization strategy. They decide flight routes based on demand forecasting and cost analysis. For example, they choose high-demand routes and secondary airports to reduce operating costs and maximize aircraft utilization. In terms of inventory optimization, AirAsia applies efficient inventory control, especially for aircraft spare parts, fuel, and in-flight services. The company uses just-in-time and JIT practices to reduce holding costs and avoid excess inventory while ensuring availability when needed. Another important area is demand forecasting. AirAsia uses advanced technologies such as data analytics, artificial intelligence (AI), and dynamic pricing systems to predict customer demand. This helps the company adjust ticket price in real time, maximize seat occupancy, and improve revenue. Overall, these decision-making models help AirAsia operate efficiently, reduce costs, and stay competitive in the aviation industry. To conclude, AirAsia demonstrates how effective supply chain management can create both operational efficiency and competitive advantage. From the analysis, we can see that AirAsia applies strong strategies such as lean operation, digital transformation, and sustainable practices to manage its supply chain effectively. These strategies help reduce costs, improve service quality, and support long-term sustainability. One key lesson learned is that integrating technology and data-driven decision-making is very important in modern supply chains, especially in a competitive industry like aviation. As a recommendation, AirAsia can further improve by investing more in advanced technology, strengthening the supplier collaboration, and enhancing sustainability initiatives. In conclusion, AirAsia's supply chain practices show a good balance between cost efficiency, innovation, and sustainability, which contribute to its continued success in the airlines industry. That's all from us. Thank you.